Can Celestia TIA price go to $100? Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important question that we need to figure out and answer, because I've got very interesting statistics, technical analysis, and a lot of opinions about this particular price trajectory. Currently, the price of Celestia is $6.06, and we are having a market cap of about 1.3 billion US dollars with a fully diluted market valuation of about 8.5 billion US dollars. In order for Celestia to go to about $100, it obviously needs to do multiple X's. It needs to do about a 15X to about a 20X, which is absolutely possible due to the fact that we have obviously bottomed. Ladies and gentlemen, we definitely bottomed at $3.78. This right over here is going to be engraved in the history of Celestia as one of the turnaround points that a lot of people missed when it comes to purchasing Celestia. Of course, there's going to be a lot of factors that are going to affect your progress due to the fact that these guys have got very bogus tokenomics. Take a look at the circulating supply in comparison to the total supply. So obviously that is going to weigh down on the price, and this is one of the reasons why you have to be very cyclical when it comes to Celestia and getting out. Okay, so let me give you the maximum price trajectory or whatever we have experienced. So the first time that we got introduced to Celestia on CoinGecko is November 2nd, November 2023. So it rose from $2.55 all the way up to around $20 in a very short period of time, in a maximum of about 4 months. So if now we have had price maturity, the project has obviously become better due to the fact that these guys have obviously started they've started having many projects on board. They've known the markets and the market makers, understand the game, etc. And due to the fact that we obviously bottomed at $3.78 or $3.93, do you think it's very impossible for the price of Celestia to pump all the way to $100, just basically doing another 5x from the previous all-time? Because we obviously have a lot of liquidity at $20. In order for us to move from $20, which is the previous all-time high, to $100, we just need to do a 5x, ladies and gentlemen. That is absolutely possible. Anyhow, that could obviously be classified as wishful thinking, and to be honest, I am a person who refrains from wishful thinking. So this is one of the reasons why I want to give you this technical analysis to show you that we are now about to take off. Okay, just like the Migos, we are definitely about to take off. Ooh, that was good, man. I think I should be a rapper anytime soon, a crypto rapper. What do you guys think? All right, by the way, RIP to Takeoff. Man, he was my favorite Migos. Anyway, moving on. So as you can see right over here, one thing that I really want you guys to understand is the back and forth that we have been having as far as Celestia is concerned is obviously coming to an end. This particular price trajectory is definitely over, and to all the people that ended up selling the top right over here at $20, I am talking to you. It's time to get back in. And all you OGs who are extremely sharp, extremely intelligent as far as this technical analysis is concerned, you guys already know the business. You guys already go in on this particular trading candle right over here. And this is one of the reasons I am super proud of my community, because we have been covering Celestia for a very long period of time. So as you can see right over here, right, these candles are very important. Okay, so doji candles really mark reversals. So take a look at this. Let's analyze the bottom, because I want to certify this as a bottom. So let me get rid of this price action right over here, and let me reintroduce you to the doji that really cemented the price bottom. So this, you're not going to see the price of Celestia going below $3.78 at least on this price trajectory that is beginning to mature. Of course, in the next coming 6 months, probably it can come back, but the bull cycle has already started. Okay, so that was the absolute bottom. So if the price of Celestia is going to come back as low as, this level, sell your kids. Well, you're going to buy them back later, so you can sell your kids temporarily and then buy them back once you become like a celestial millionaire. Of course, I'm kidding. Don't sell anything. Don't even sell your worst shoe. That smelly shoe. Do not sell it. Because you need every penny and you need to keep your assets intact. But I digress. So, taking a look at this, right? We understand that the POC is at $5.70. So, do you see this white line right over here? So, if you take a look at the price trajectory of Celestia, all the way from the peak, $20.10, dropping all the way down. Trust me, the point of control, according to technical analysis, this is not my POV, this is not my opinion, this is according to the chart and according to the volume data and the price data. So the point of control, ever since we dropped from 20 cents, is at $5.70. So remember what we spoke about, right? We talked about if the price drops to this particular low, you guys know what to do. Sell something, but it shouldn't be your kids. The next important price level as far as Celestia is concerned is this particular level, because we have sort of a bearish doji right over there that got bought up. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why I really believe that this $5.70 is a very, very important price action. So take a look at that doji right over there, and we bring it up like that. Do you see the bearish order block right over here? I'm talking about this candle right over here. This one was a very significant one, and it is coinciding with the POC. So this is one of the reasons, if you see the price ever going back to about $5.70, you guys already know what to do. Okay, so I'm giving you two targets. If by God's grace the price of Celestia is going to come back down to $5.70, you guys already know what to do. And for whatever reasons, if we come back down to these low levels, you guys already know what to do. However, I really strongly believe that it is highly unlikely for even the price to come back down to $5.70. This right over here, ladies and gentlemen, is the beginning of the mighty price trajectory of Celestia from $5, $6, all the way to $100. Of course, during our price trajectory, right, we are obviously going to be experiencing Celestia sort of go back and forth. When it blasts off, our next stop is going to be close to around $11. We're going to retrace, find some support around $7 and continue our price trajectory, go back down, or rather go back up to these high levels. We go to $18, we come back down, and we sort of end up pushing like that. So when the prices are very bullish, things do get bullish pretty fast. Take a look at the amounts of buying opportunities that people had during the dramatic rise from about $2 to about $20. People only had a few days, a few opportunities to buy cheaper, and take a look at how the price really moved. So this is how fast things really move, and this is one of the reasons why I want you to be equipped with the right information. Email me, have a one-on-one consultation personally with me. Let me give you the blueprint that you need to make a lot of money, and you guys are going to be safe. So check the links in the description box below. You guys can easily contact me. Just send me an email, and then we're going to be good. So this is what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see right over here, right, these price points that we're seeing, they are the last buying opportunities as far as Celestia is concerned this bull run. And you guys have to be very, very careful when we talk about timing the markets, because the people that missed this particular timing right over here, the people that missed this particular price pump, okay, from here all the way up there, these guys, ended up hating Celestia, saying, "Oh, Celestia is a bad investment. Celestia is a shit coin." No, 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 no. Celestia is not a shit coin. Celestia is not a bad investment. You are just a bad investor, and you lack proper timing. And this is one of the reasons why you need professionals like me, and we are definitely going to be able to help you out. So timing is important. You need to be serious when things are serious. You need to stay away when things are bogus. You get my point? So timing is very important in cryptocurrencies, and right now you have to have your money in crypto. You have to have your money in coins that have dropped by about 90%. Take a look at this. This is about an 80% price drop, which is a very fair value, to get in comparison to the people that were getting at $20. So these guys who got Celestia at $20, they are all underground. So we have a better opportunity to get in at a fairest value, based on maturity and price trajectory. So personally, I really believe we are about to pump the hell out of Celestia. And I have my guys, we've got our market makers, and we're about to do our thing. So big shout out to the people watching me in the future when the price of Celestia has already started moving. So to all the people watching me in the future, big shout out to you. You guys can see that I'm correct, and you guys are saying that, damn, this guy definitely saw what was coming. So if you're able to watch me from the future, and if I'm correct, send me an email, join my trading group. Let's make a whole lot of money. That's all I had for you, ladies and gentlemen. Talk to you guys a little bit later, and happy trading.